Now let's turn to the Fourth Amendment and how it relates to privacy in the digital age. The Fourth Amendment says people have the right to be safe from unreasonable searches and seizures. Traditionally, this meant that police needed a warrant to search your home or take your property. But today, new technology has raised new questions about how this right works. We'll explore two big areas where this amendment gets tested today: digital privacy and metadata, and law enforcement surveillance. Let's start with digital privacy and metadata. Metadata is the background information about your digital communications, like who you messaged, when, and for how long. Government agencies have sometimes collected this kind of data in large amounts to track possible threats. They say this helps keep the public safe. But critics argue that even though the actual messages aren't being read, collecting this information still invades people's privacy. In the case Carpenter versus United States, the Supreme Court said the government usually needs a warrant to get location data from your cell phone. That decision shows how courts are updating the Fourth Amendment to protect privacy in the digital world. Now let's look at law enforcement and surveillance. Police today can use tools like drones, security cameras, and even facial recognition to monitor people. Some of this is helpful for preventing crime, but it also creates concerns about whether the government is watching too much, especially without permission. Courts now ask whether someone had a reasonable expectation of privacy in the place being watched. If you're walking in a public park, the court might say you can't expect full privacy. But if the police fly a drone over your backyard to look inside your house without a warrant, that could be seen as going too far. Again, the courts are trying to strike the right balance between keeping people safe and protecting personal freedom. Let's just pause there for a moment so I can give you something I give to my own students. I made a free cheat sheet for this lesson and the entire AP Government course. It's linked below. It shows you exactly what you need to know, and you can tick off the points you're confident about, so you know what you still need to learn. You'll also get the required Supreme Court case and foundational document cheat sheets to help with FRQ preparation. Totally free, grab it below. This video has been a clip from my 4-hour full course review video. Click the video on screen now to study the full course in just 4 hours.